is up, y'all? I am back with another video for you, and today I am testing out these hair extensions that I saw on a Facebook ad just recently. These said that they were free hair extensions, but in reality, you had to pay for shipping. They were showing me that they were Bellmina hair extensions, which I have never tried out personally, so I knew they weren't actually going to be Bellmina because the price was just too good to be true. The price for Bellmina hair is pretty much like, I think, $100 if anything. They're pretty good hair extensions if you want to get decent hair extensions, but then I would definitely check those out. I know they are very good by reviews that I've heard. But if you guys want to know about my impressions on these hair extensions, then just keep on watching. Okay, so in this pack you got a couple of deals with it, and they would like give you another free set of like type of hair extensions. So I definitely just wanted to try them out. Just give you guys full on reviews. So they come like this. I got a couple of different ones just because my hair is a different shades of blonde. So here's one pack. It just says 111, 12 pounds. Then also this, and it just fell. A lot of wrinkling noise. So they're clip-ins. Those were clip-ins. Oh. It's a pack inside a pack. You got like paint smell. And then more. So because I have some lighter hair in here, I got a lighter pack. And then some more little ashy blondes. And then more. So these are like the halo types. This is the halo. So I have 3 clip-ins and 2 halos, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to pull out this lighter one. I can rip it open. They're soft, but they're like still cheap kind of feeling. For me, I have really thick hair, therefore I need like 5 hair extensions. Why is this being weird? I mean, they seem like they wouldn't, they're kind of thin. I mean, they're soft. See, definitely too light, but I feel like mixing them with the different colors would work so well. Let me fast forward through this part, take out my hair. And I know my hair is probably not the best because it's like not wavy. I mean, it's wavy, but it's like straight. But we'll get the gist of it, okay? So I'm going to time-lapse this part and like put them in and everything. But if you guys actually just want a like tutorial on how to put like hair extensions in, let me know in the comments below and I will definitely do that for you. But right now I'll do a time-lapse of putting them in and see how they feel and everything and look in my hair, mixing and matching. So yeah, let's just get on doing that. So this is as much hair. So I brushed them and like a lot of hair. This is just all extension hair. So I guess hair really falls out of them. So I guess my hair's a lot darker than I expected. Cause maybe blending will help. I just feel like this white is gonna be too white. Okay, yeah, these don't link onto your hair very easily. Like, I get it, I got thick hair. I feel like I have hair all over my face. Like, I have so much hair. Can I like, there, does that help? I know, I probably should have my hair actually straight during all this, but I think we get a good representation of like what's supposed to be happening. You know? Yeah. You feel me? See, like if they're not cut either, it's just gonna look like, what is happening? I feel like always this side looks a little bit better. Let's see how bad this looks like. I think if my hair was like straight, it honestly would match really well. Other than that, I thought the matching would not work very well, but because there's so like many different colors in my hair right now, it looks better. So like the clips, they'll flip up so they're not like linking onto my hair. Well, honestly, not bad for like these 30, I guess there's $30 because, yeah. Let me stand up, maybe that'll help you. This is kind of what they look like. It doesn't look too bad. Like imagine if my hair was straight. Do y'all think they would match? I think they would match. But it's also all the lighting. Like all the different colors in the hair. I think they would work. Definitely kind of approve. I know like it's super long. I think this worked. I think it matched pretty well. Just need to have my hair actually straight and the same way. But yeah, I think I would give them a 6 out of 10 just because I've had better extensions from Sally's and the clips worked better. So yeah. Other than that, extensions from China, they're good. They're good. So, but other than that, I think that is all I have for these extensions review. They're soft. I did not use any of these blonde ones, like really blonde ones, just because my hair is way too dark for that. Let me know everything you think about these extensions in the comments below. Let me know if you guys want a tutorial on how to put in extensions. I will do that for you guys if you want that. But yeah, that is everything I have for you guys for this video today. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Give a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next. And hit the bell to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and pretty much every Saturday as well. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. They'll be linked down below. And I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye!
Patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?